Hello student, let's try to understand fuel cell. This is very important for examination point of view. So what is there student? That is here is the one side that is hydrogen and the side oxygen. Then it is converting into water molecule student. Here is cathode and anode. Aqueous electrolyte is there inside student. So dear student, how can you understand this one? Firstly, they are talking about production of electricity by thermal plant is very efficient, is not very efficient method and is major source of pollution. In such plant, the chemical energy heat of combustion of fossil fuel is first used for converting water into high pressure stream. This is used for run the turbine to produce electricity. We know that galvanic cell is directly convert chemical energy into electrical and is highly efficient. It is now possible to make much cell in which the reactant are fed continuously to the electrodes and products are removed continuously from the electrolyte. Compartment galvanic cell that are designed to convert the energy of combustion of fuel like hydrogen, methane, methanol, etc. directly into electrical energy are called fuel cell. So student, from which line it is very important that you need to know, dear student. The line which is important is it is now possible to make much cell in which reactant are fed continuously to the electrolyte and products are removed continuously from the electrolyte compartment. Galvanic cell that are designed to convert the energy of combustion of fuel like hydrogen, methane, methanol, etc. directly to electrical energy are called fuel cell. One of the most successful fuel cell uses the reaction of hydrogen with oxygen to form water. The cell was used for providing electrical power in Apollo space program. The water vapor produced during the reaction were considered condensed and added to the drinking water supply for the astronaut. In the cell, hydrogen and oxygen are bubbled through the porous carbon electrode into the concentrated aqueous sodium hydrogen hydroxide solution. Catalysts like finely divided platinum or palladium metal are incorporated into the electrodes for increasing the rate of electrode reaction. The electrode reactions are given O2 plus water 4 electron 4 OH minus 2H2O plus 4 OH minus, it is giving H2O. So 2H2 plus O2 2H2O. The cell run continuously as long as the reactant are supplied. Fuel cell produce electricity with efficiency of 70% compared to thermal plant whose efficiency about 40%. There has been the tremendous progress in the development of new electrode material. Better catalyst and electrodes are increasing the efficiency of fuel cell. These have been used in automobile in an experimental basis. Fuel cells are pollution free and view their future importance. A variety of fuel cells have been verified and tried. Corrosion. So the last topic is corrosion. Corrosion slowly coat the surface of metallic object with oxides of other salts of the metal. The rusting of iron, tarnishing of silver develop a green coating. Copper and benzene, bronze are some of the example of corrosion. It causes enormous damage to the building, bridge, ship and to all objects made of metal, especially that of iron. We lose crores of the rupee every year on account of corrosion. In corrosion, a metal oxide oxidized by loss of electron to oxygen and formation of oxide. Corrosion of iron, commonly known as rusting, occurs in presence of water air. The chemistry of corrosion is quite complex, but it may be considered. ये अच्छा गेट बंद करो यार. As an electrochemical phenomena at a particular spot of the object made up of the iron, oxidation takes place, and that spot we have as a node, and we can write the reaction 2Fe plus 2Fe2 plus 4 electron. Electrons released at a node spot move through the metal and go to the another spot of the metal and reduces oxygen in presence of H plus, which is believed to available in H2CO3 form due to the dissolution of carbon dioxide from air into water. Hydrogen ion in water may also be available due to dissolution of other acidic oxide from the atmosphere. This spot we have as cathode with the reaction O2 plus 4H plus 4 electron, it is giving H2O. Overall reaction 2Fe plus O2 plus 4H plus Fe2 plus it is H2O. The ferrous ion are further oxidized by atmospheric oxygen to ferric ion, which comes out as a rust in the form of hydrated ferric oxide Fe2O3.H2O. And with further production of hydrogen ion, prevention of corrosion is prime importance. It's not only save money but also help preventing the accident such as bridge collapse or failure of the key component due to the corrosion. One of the simplest method of preventing corrosion is to prevent the surface of the metallic object to come in contact with atmosphere. This can be done by covering the surface with plant or by some chemicals. Another simple method is to cover the surface by other metal, etc., that is the inert or react to save the object. An electrochemical method is provide sacrificial electrode of another metal like magnesium, zinc, etc., which it corroded itself but save the object.